Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sasikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly predictions from 8th of Feb 2021 to 14th Feb 2021, Valentine Day, 14th Feb. So 8th February 2021 to 14th February 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen my video. You will get definitely some information related to your related to your ascendant sign. So let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants this whole week from 8th Feb 2021 to 14th Feb 2021. You will see mixed fruits. Monday and Tuesday will be a bit struggling days for you. You will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Try to use polite word with your business partners or your life partner, because Monday and Tuesday is not rewarding days for you. You may be a part of any problem, any litigation, or some health related issue may arise. So you need to be careful while talking with others. You need to be careful while eating. Don't eat non-veg. Don't eat market food or junk food. Try to eat homemade food. It will be helpful for you. And Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days for you in the terms of profession. You will get some unexpected money. You will feel much relaxed and better. You will enjoy all comforts. Your health will fine and your relationship will be on the track. You will sign new documents or new deal in foreign land. If you are importer exporter, you may get some foreign transaction that will make you happy. Aries, this whole week will give you mixed fruit, especially Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you. Don't sign any new deal, and Wednesday and Thursday, very rewarding days for you. If you want to start anything new, you may start, but Mercury is retrograde in this week. So I would suggest you don't start anything new, because Mercury retrogression, when Mercury is retrograde in transit, don't start anything new. This is for all zodiac sign, this is for all ascendants, this is for all moon sign. So Mercury is retrograde. Don't try to start anything new. You will get a lot of opportunities, but you don't try to start anything new Wednesday and Thursday. Opportunities are there. There is no doubt. And weekend, you will enjoy very good time, Friday and Saturday with your family and friends. And Friday, you will get unexpected money from stock market. If you're already investing your money at stock market, if you are a trader, if you are a businessman, if you are any type of shopkeeper, you will get fantastic results. Aries, this whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling for you. Rest Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday will be a rewarding days for you. If you want to do something, then you may start, but Mercury is retrograde. So I would suggest you don't start anything new. You will get a lot of opportunities from Wednesday to Saturday, but try to start everything when Mercury is direct after 1 or 2 weeks. So overall, you will get a lot of financial benefits from Wednesday to Saturday. Aries, you will enjoy this week. My good wishes are with you. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants this whole week from 8th February 2021 to 14th February 2021. You will be sky high and top. You will enjoy unexpected money. You will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friends. You will enjoy new business opportunities. You will enjoy lot of unexpected gains. But your fifth lord is retrograde. Don't try to invest your money anywhere. Don't try to sign any new deals. Don't be a part of any problem or any litigation. Avoid arguments with your seniors at your workplace. Just focus on your work. You will get fantastic work. There is no doubt. If you have a Yogkarak Mahadasha in your birth chart, you will definitely steal the show. You will definitely rock. Overall, this whole week, Taurus, you will see mixed result. Monday and Tuesday will be a wonderful days for you. You will be sky high and top. Your confidence level will be on peak and you will do some wonders. And Wednesday and Thursday, you will get unexpected money. You may start anything new, but Mercury is retrograde. I would suggest you don't start anything new on this week. Even till the Mercury is retrograde, don't start anything new. Don't give your money to anyone during Mercury retrogression. Otherwise, your money will never get back. So, Friday and Saturday, there's a strong chances you will get a lot of appreciation from your workplace. Work pressure will irritate you. because a lot of work pressure will irritate you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts at your workplace. You will get a lot of benefits from your workplace. There is no doubt, because Venus transit in your Navam Bhav, ninth house with Jupiter Saturn, and Saturn is also going to arise from 8th of Feb. This will be ultimate week for you, Taurus. You just need to perform your best, put your 100% effort. You will get fantastic results. Monday, Tuesday, even Wednesday, Thursday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will get lot of appreciation at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied. You may get visa, you may get some promotion related to foreign activities. If you are in foreign job, you will definitely get very good appreciation. You just need to perform your best, do your wonders. You will definitely sky high and rock, and you will achieve lot of goals. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 8th February 2021 to 14th Feb 2021. Guys, you need to be careful while talking with your elders. You need to be careful while talking with your father especially. Give some respect to your father. Show your honor, respect to your father. The way you give respect to your father, the way you get positive response from universe, from solar system. Because Jupiter Saturn is in your 8th house. The plus point is from 8th of Feb, Saturn is a rise. This is good for you, but is Ashtam Bhav is not very promising for you. And your ascendant lord is retrograde from 4th Feb to till next few weeks. So you need to be careful. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't be a part of any problem. Try to give respect to your elders at home. Try to be in a polite talks with your friends. The more you give respect to your parents, the more you get benefit results. Otherwise, struggle are there. Lot of problems are there. You will face lot of trouble. Mentally, you are not feeling happy. Mentally, you are feeling very low. Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you. When you are not in a comfort zone, you will see lot of up and down in your professional life. Your mind is totally upset and disturbed. Wednesday and Thursday, again, this is not very promising days for you. If you're finding a job, you are unable to find. If you are trying to put your effort to find a job, if you get job, but that job is not as per your expectations. So this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you, because your ascendant slot is retrograde. And moon is supporting you on the Friday and Saturday, when you will get some small profit from your old investments if you are a businessman. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem and your source of earning will be affected. Gemini, you need to perform your best and must read Om Ganganapataye Namah mantra. Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah. 108 time, 121 time, 151 time. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. I repeat this mantra. Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah, Om Ganganapataye Namah, and read Lord Ganesh Chalisa every day morning for your positive energy. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or any litigation. If you are willing to apply for PR or work permit in foreign land, you will definitely get a lot of fantastic results, because Jupiter aspecting is on your 12th house. It will give you a lot of good results related to foreign activities. But overall, don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on strangers. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or any litigation. Give some respect to your spouse. Give some respect to your elders at your home. This is the biggest remedy for you. Let's talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants this whole week from 8th of February 2021 to 14th February 2021. Mars transit in your 10th house in Aries sign. And Saturn is arise in your 7th house from 8th of Feb. You will definitely get a lot of business proposals. You may start something new, but Mercury is retrograde. I would suggest you don't start anything new. You will get a lot of opportunities. There is no doubt. A lot of people try to start any new business with you, but when Mercury is retrograde, it's not a right time to do anything, good, anything, start new. So avoid this time. And your source of earning will develop. There is no doubt. If you are a businessman, if you are a shopkeeper, trader, manufacturer, if you are a factory owner, then this whole week brings a lot of happiness, positivity. And if you are a stockbroker, you will get a lot of good gains from stock market during this week. Cancer, this whole week, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you, when you will get a lot of financial, gains, and some unexpected money will knock you. Your savings will rise, and you will plan some holiday with your family or friends. Aries, Monday and Tuesday, you need to perform your best. Put 100% efforts at your workplace. You will definitely get a lot of advantage. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be on sky high and top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, good fortune, active for you. You will be happy with your good fortune, because you may met someone. He or she will give you lot of good advice to improve yourself, improve your personality, improve your business, and you will feel very blessed on Wednesday and Thursday. These 2 days will be a biggest game changer for you. If you do something related to yourself, then Wednesday and Thursday will be a very, very rewarding days for you. And your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. They are very, very satisfied. The way you are doing work, the way you have put your 100% efforts, you will definitely sky high, Cancer. You just need to perform your best. Stop thinking too much. Just perform your best. Do your 100% efforts. By the grace of God, you will achieve a lot of goals. Friday and Saturday, you will spend very good time on weekend with your family and friends. Younger siblings will give you some gifts, or you may receive some token of love from your family side, or you may go for some holidays with your family and friends. This weekend, from 8th of Feb to 14th Feb, the weekend will be ultimate for you, when you feel much relaxed and better, and you will enjoy all comforts, all around success are there. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. Leo Sanders, this whole week from 8th February 2021 to 14th Feb 2021, you need to be careful and alert. Don't sign any new documents. Don't sign any new deal. Good fortune is in your favor, there is no doubt. But try to avoid any new activity. People try to cheat you. People try to, if you give your money to someone, you never get back. So this whole week from 8th Feb to 14th Feb, you don't start anything new. Don't try to give your money to anyone. Monday and Tuesday, little bit struggling days for you. You're not feeling comfortable. You're not feeling happy. Some unexpected tension are there, and you're feeling very low and down without any reason. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy a lot of good moments at your workplace. Your seniors and your colleagues will be satisfied from your performance. But Leo, just need to perform your best and read this mantra whole week. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Surya Nama. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Surya Nama. Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Surya Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. Otherwise, you will face a lot of up and down. Mentally, you are not feeling happy. Mentally, you are not feeling positive, because Monday and Tuesday struggling in the terms of your mind, in the terms of your plannings. Wednesday and Thursday will be a better day compared to Monday and Tuesday. But don't show your trust on strangers. Don't sign any new document, deal. Don't, put your money in anywhere. Otherwise, you never get back. Wednesday and Saturday will be ultimate days for you, when you feel much relaxed and comfort. But don't sign any document. Don't show your trust on stranger. I'm telling you, Leo, again and again, this whole week brings a lot of opportunities to start something new, but you don't start, because this is not very productive time, because Mercury is retrograde. So I would suggest you, to every of ascendants, don't put your money anywhere. Don't start anything new this whole week, because Mercury is retrograde. There is no doubt Saturn is arise from 8th of Feb. You will get very good opportunities. You can keep that opportunity in your mind, and when Mercury is direct, then you may start anything new. You may put your money. But this whole week, you will be in a deep thought about your life, about your past, present, future. You're thinking a lot. Stop thinking too much. Just chant mantra Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Surya Nama, and must read Aditya Hriday Stotra. You will feel much relaxed and better. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, this whole week, some new opportunities will knock you. If you want to start something new, this is the right time. Some foreign opportunities will knock you. If you investing your money in foreign land, this is the ultimate time, Virgo. But Mercury, your ascendant lord, is retrograde. No, you need to be careful. Don't think too much. Don't spend your money as a unexpected expenditures, because some unexpected expenditures will irritate you this whole week. From 8th of Feb to 14th Feb, you will feel unbalancing situation in your savings and your expenditures. You're not feeling comfort zone. You're feeling a lot of up and down, because situation is not in your favor. Sometimes you're feeling very low. Mentally, you're not feeling strong, because planetary position is not in favor and your ascendant lord is retrograde. It will show some delay in your professional life. It will show some hurdles in your professional life. Just keep calm and read this mantra. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Sah Buddhaya Nama. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Sah Buddhaya Nama. Om Brahm Brim Brahm Sah Buddhaya Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy. And try to donate some money as a charity to needy people on Wednesday. You will feel much relaxed and better. Monday and Tuesday, a little bit struggling days for you when you are not feeling fresh. You are feeling very low energy. You may feel uncomfort. You are feeling very depressed. But don't think too much. I'm telling you again and again. Near future, when your ascendant lord is direct, you will feel excellent because Jupiter Saturn going to give you a lot of blessings in your fifth house in Pancham Bhav. You will get a lot of money in 2021. You will get a lot of business opportunities. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity in the year of 2021. So this week will be a little bit struggling related to your mind. Just focus on your things, do your wonders. You will definitely achieve lot of good goals. I'm praying for your happy future and must give some money as a charity to needy people on Wednesday. Let's talk about Libra ascendants. Libra ascendants in this week, in this whole week from 8th of February to 14th of February 2021, you will be a part of any problem. You will see a lot of up and down in your professional life. You're not feeling comfortable. You're not performing well the way you are performed. You're trying to put your 100% efforts, but you will fail to get positive results. Your seniors are not satisfied. Your seniors are not happy the way you are doing your work. Even they try to push you more. They try to, push you more to do some extra efforts. And that thing will irritate you. Especially Monday and Tuesday will be a struggling days for you. You are not feeling comfortable. Your marital life will also matter of concern. Relationship with your spouse will matter of concern. Relationship with your kids will be matter of concern. They may demand something, but you are failed to fulfill their demand. Monday and Tuesday, your homely atmosphere is not good. Your professional life is not good. You are feeling very low, very disturbed, and you are trying to call with your best friend to share all these things because dynamics is not in your favor. You need to be careful. Try to keep smiling on your face. Don't show your arrogance or stubborn nature in front of your spouse or kids or your seniors at workplace. Wednesday and Thursday, again, you're not feeling comfortable. But you will feel much relaxed and better on the day of Thursday. Reason, moon changed the sign. It will give you a lot of positivity. But things are not working as per your expectations. You are trying to put your 100% effort, but you are failed to get successful results because planetary movement is not in your favor. Mercury is retrograde. Saturn is arise in 4th house. You need to be careful about your mother health. Dealing with mother, you need to be careful. Talking with your family members, you need to be careful. Taurus, this whole week brings a lot of up and down related to your mental thoughts. You are thinking very deep, but you fail to achieve anything. You are trying to do your best, you are trying to perform your best, but you are failed to achieve things because planetary movement is not in your favor. Keep calm, try to keep smile on your face, always fold hand in front of everyone, give some respect to your elders at home, show your love to your spouse, show your love to your kids. Try to face this whole week with your polite talks if you want to manage the thing nicely. Otherwise, you will be a part of problem. You're feeling not comfortable. Your mind is very disturbed. Your mind is very upset because your stars are not good. Dynamics is not in your favor. Libra, you need to perform your best. Weekend, Friday and Saturday. Again, you are in a deep depression and tension. This whole week brings a lot of up and down. You are not feeling comfortable. You are not feeling happy. Don't sign any new documents. Don't sign any new deal. Don't try to put your money anywhere because this whole week brings a lot of up and down in your professional life and your personal life. Must read Gayatri Mantra 108 times, 151 times, 201 times every day morning after take your shower and before take your breakfast. Must read Gayatri Mantra. I am telling you again and again. It will be helpful for you. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Sanders. Scorpio Sanders from 8th of Feb 21 to 14th Feb 2021. You will feel much relax and comfort. There is a strong chances some sudden foreign travels are there. Scorpio, Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding days for you. You will get benefit from foreign land. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of financial gains. This whole week brings a lot of new opportunity related to your business. And if you are in business, if you are in import export business, you will be sky high and top. You earn a lot of money. You will sign new document. You will get new orders from foreign land. Scorpio, you need to perform your best because 3 planet transit in your Upchaya Bhav, in your third house, it will give you lot of courage and strong willpower. Due to your willpower, due to your courage, you will create a history, a big milestone. You will achieve lot of goals at your professional life. Your finances will excellent. This week, Monday and Tuesday, you may spend some money on the luxury at your home. You may spend some money, you may buy a new vehicle, you may invest your money in real estate or stock market. But Mercury is retrograde. Don't start anything new. If you want to start anything new, then keep all plans in your mind and you will execute that plan when Mercury goes to direct after 1 or 2 weeks. But this whole week brings lot of opportunities, lot of good gains. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your spouse will support you. Your love life will be excellent. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, your relationship will turn in marriage life. Your spouse will support you, your kids will support you, your elders at your home will support you. Blessings of your father will be a biggest game changer for you because Jupiter is in Capricorn sign. The more you give respect to your father or grandfather, the more you get fantastic results from Jupiter. Try to perform your best with great honesty, passion. You will definitely achieve big milestones. Scorpio, this is your year. This is your week. If you perform your best with great honesty, dedication, passion, you will definitely achieve big goals. You need to perform your best. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. Sagittarius Ascendants, this whole week, you will see a lot of up and down. Monday and Tuesday, you're not feeling comfortable. Relationship with your spouse or family member will matter of concern. Due to your arrogant nature, due to your stubborn nature, you will be a part of any problem. Monday and Tuesday, you're not feeling comfortable. Your seniors try to give you lot of pressure to get some business from market. And you are performing your best. You may get some work, but that is not as per your expectations and that is not as per your seniors' expectations. Put your 100% effort. You will definitely get some good results on Monday and Tuesday after great struggle. Wednesday and Thursday will give you lot of mixed result, but you will get fantastic results in the terms of family support. Wednesday and Thursday, your family will support you. Your spouse and your parents will support you. But don't show your attitude, ego, stubborn nature. Be humble, be polite. This whole week will give you mixed results. Friday and Saturday, you may sign new documents. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Friday and Saturday will be a very rewarding days for you when you will blessed with unexpected money. If you're investing your money in stock market, you will get a lot of profits. If you are investing your money in real estate or stock market, you will blessed with a lot of profits. Try to perform your best. This whole week brings good news from Thursday, Friday and Saturday in the terms of your finance. Your savings will rise. There's a strong chances you may start something new with your nearest or dearest friend or brother. And that advice or that venture will give you a lot of promising results. Sagittarius, show your respect in front of your elders. Blessings of your father and grandfather will be a biggest game changer for you. The way you give respect to your father, the more you get fantastic response from your good fortune, because your good fortune always attached with your father and grandfather. If you don't have father or grandfather, try to touch feet of any elder male gender in your family, especially from your dadka. So this whole week brings a lot of opportunities. From Thursday, Friday and Saturday will be your ultimate days for you. You need to cash your good fortune because Good fortune is in your favor, Sagittarius. Let's start for Capricorn Ascendants. Capricorn Ascendants from 8th of February to 14th of February. You are feeling very low and disturbed. You are not performing well. The way you are intelligent, the way you have a capability, you are not performing, you are underperformance. You are trying to put your 100% efforts, but you are not get success. This whole week brings a lot of up and downs in the terms of your mental thoughts. You are feeling very deep, but your mind is very unstable. You are trying to put your best at your professional life, but the results are not very promising. By the grace of God, Saturn is arise in your first house in Capricorn sign from 8th of Feb. This is a very good event for you because Saturn is arise. Your ascendant lord is arise. It will give you some strength, but Saturn aspecting is on your seventh house, which is a house of your professional life and your business and daily income. That will be affected a lot. You're not feeling comfortable in the terms of your spouse. You're not feeling comfortable and good and relaxed in the terms of your earning. Your daily earning will be affected. This whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, you're feeling very low and disturbed. You're trying to put your 100% effort, but your all efforts are going in a, you know, you're trying to put your efforts in your professional life, but your efforts are failed because you are not get success. So you're feeling very down and upset. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get a lot of opportunity. You will get a lot of new business opportunities. But don't try to start any new business opportunity because Mercury is retrograde these days. So keep your plan in your mind. And when Mercury is direct in transit, you may start anything new. But this is not a right time to start anything new. This is not a right time to invest your money anywhere. If you are stockbroker, if you are real estate merchant, if you are any factory owner, don't try to put your more investment in your business during these days or during this week because this will week brings a lot of up and down for you. Friday and Saturday you will spend some quality time with your family and friends, and if you are unemployed, you are trying to find a job, then Friday it will be a very good day. You may get job, but that is not as per your expectations. Your professional life and your personal life will be up and down, up and down. You are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling very deep and you are thinking a lot because Saturn is in your first house. It's not very well transit for you, Capricorn. That may be in on sign, but Saturn is in transit in first house will create a lot of problem, lot of hurdles, lot of delays, and your marriage life and your personal life and your daily income is a matter of target. Even it's a target from Saturn side. Be careful, be alert. Must go for some charity to needy people at Saturday. Try to donate food in hungry people on Saturday. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, this whole week brings mixed results for you. Monday and Tuesday will be rewarding days for you when you get unexpected money. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy very good money from your old investment. If you're willing to invest your money in stock market, you may invest on Monday and Tuesday, but Mercury is retrograde. Don't try to invest a big amount. You may invest small amount, but this whole week, especially Monday and Tuesday, will be a good days for you. Wednesday and Thursday will be a struggling for you. You may be a part of any problem or any litigation related to government side. You may get any notice from government side. Try to pay your bill or taxes on time. Don't be a part of any problem or any litigation or any type of hurdles. Don't be a part of any arguments at your home. Your relationship will be very good. Your spouse will support you. You will spend good time on Friday and Saturday, but your professional life will be under shadow. You are trying to perform your best, but your professionally you are not achieve whatever you want to achieve. But you must try again and again because this is a life. So sun always rise after deep darkness. This whole week brings mixed results from you. Monday and Tuesday will be a good days when you will get good money from your business. Wednesday and Thursday will be struggling days for you. Friday and Saturday, you need to be careful while talking with your near and dear. Overall, this whole week brings average results for you. Now, I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. This whole week from 8th February 2021 to 14th February 2021, Monday and Tuesday, you will be sky high and top. You may sign new document. You may enter in a new business venture. Someone may give you very good advice and that advice will be a biggest game changer for you. Pisces, this is a very good week for you. If you want to achieve something, if you want to do something, then put your 100% effort. Monday and Tuesday, you will get rewarded. Wednesday and Thursday, again, by the grace of God, you're feeling much relaxed and comfort. You may go for some religious activity. You may go for some religious journey. It will be a very helpful and very, graceful for you. You must go. If you get any chance to go for any religious activity, you will get a lot of blessings from there. And your good fortune started smile for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will get some unexpected money from your old investment. If you are stockbroker, if you are investor in real estate, you will bless with a lot of profit. Pisces, this whole week brings a lot of positivity. Good gains are there, but you need to perform your best. Be honest, be humble, and try to perform your 100% best. You will definitely rock. You will definitely sky high, but you need to work hard. You need to focus on your things. Success is there. Success is waiting for you. Wednesday and Thursday will be your ultimate days for you, when you will feel much relaxed and comfort, and you will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. Then Friday and Saturday again, you are feeling bit low related to your atmosphere at your home. Your relationship with the spouse will be under shadow, but professionally you will be sky high and top. Pisces, you need to perform your best. This whole week brings very good news in the terms of your profession. Try to give respect to your spouse. Try to give your respect to your loved one. You will definitely get very good results in this week if you try to put 100% effort at your workplace. Must visit Lord Vishnu temple on Thursday and burn one diya in front of Lord Vishnu on Thursday evening. You will definitely get a lot of good fortune. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for a happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.